Configure system tools, locations, and notification settings. Administrative configuration begins in the Tools module to manage global system parameters. Centralized settings ensure data consistency across maintenance and workshop operations. Country management maintains a standardized list of geographic locations for international operations. The country list records official names alongside specific Alpha 2 and ISO 3 codes. Search filters enable rapid identification of specific regional records within the global database. Filtering by country name isolates relevant entries to verify active status and regional details. Global identifiers facilitate accurate reporting and logistics tracking across various maintenance hubs. State management organizes secondary administrative divisions to refine location-based service scheduling. Regional records link specific states to their parent countries for hierarchical data integrity. Targeted search functionality allows administrators to locate state-level data by name or country. State codes provide unique shorthand identifiers for streamlined entry in work orders. Proper geographic categorization ensures that maintenance activities are correctly assigned to local jurisdictions. Notification preferences define the communication rules for automated system alerts and updates. Email and system toggles control how users receive critical information regarding equipment status. Work order request settings determine which stakeholders are alerted during the initial intake phase. Customizing these triggers prevents information overload while ensuring urgent tasks receive immediate attention. Scheduled work order notifications track progress from creation through to final status changes. Granular control over alert type supports accountability throughout the entire maintenance lifecycle. The Notification Center provides a real-time audit trail of all system-generated communications. Categorized views allow users to filter alerts by work orders, users, or general updates. Standardizing these administrative tools ensures operational transparency and synchronized communication across the enterprise. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.